Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will show you how to update to Windows 11 25H2, the official public release. Microsoft has officially released the new version of Windows 11 named 25H2 on their website. Now users can directly download the 25H2 ISO file from the official Microsoft website without having an insider preview account. Here you can see on the Microsoft website the current released version of Windows 11 is 2025 update version 25H2. In my PC, the version is 24H2. Now I will update the official version of 25H2 in my PC. Download the ISO file from the Microsoft website. Please wait to finish the download process. It will take a couple of minutes, depending on the speed of your internet connection. After downloading, you can create a bootable USB using Rufus software to install a fresh copy of Windows 11 25H2. To create a bootable USB, a detailed video has already been uploaded. Links are provided in this video description. Otherwise, you can update it directly by extracting the ISO file using any compression software. And open the folder and execute the setup.exe file. And wait to start the installation shield. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the updating process. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.